We can now see the workers here. You know, why I said this production line is simple, because they are here only to repeat this one action. Did you see her action? She's here only to repeat that one action, which is to press the hold. You know what's the reason for that? Because we need to check if the hole is stuck with any powder coating finish. You know, it's really surprised me when I first knew this. And then we can go to closer for this. Here we come to another simple line. We will check first what they are doing here. Did you see what is she doing here? It's just to check the size. What she's doing is just to check the size of the frame here. This part is for the location for the motor. We just need to check if the size is good enough for the motor size. And they also only repeat this action every day. Let me ask them some questions. Sissy, I want to ask them how many pieces they will inspect here every day. Okay. 2,000 pieces. Yeah. Okay, so she will inspect more than 2,000 pieces every day, which is quite a lot. But every day they only just to repeat this one action, only one action.